Kiama kia UDM kugerera gavana wa Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho kirariri gugathagania micemanio ya kiuteti Jumapili ino hamwe na kungi gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Mathare guku Nairobi. Micemanio yao iri thiku nini tu thutha wa mubunge wa gicigo giki Steven Kariuki guthamira mwahu-ini wa Jubilee kuuma kiama kia ODM.
On Sunday is a main event, is not the major event. The major event will come a little bit later in the middle of October. So this is just a sneak preview of what to expect in October.
No mubunge ucio nake ni araririe gugathagania mucemanio wa kiuteti gicigo-ini kiu giake kia ubunge.
Andu aya angi a ODM ndego nao mena mucemanio nake moke ti thina no matikathukie wira wa andu aitu kana matuthukirie bururi reke moke marikia uhoro wao tondu ni njui no siasa matweherere ithwe tuthie na mbere na wira witu
bathi na mbere Sunday na gutire undu ungigiria ithwe tuthie to popularize kiama gitu kia Jubilee.
Miahu yeri yaniriire gugathagania micemanio yao kiharu-ini kia huruma guku Nairobi.
We are ready for the rally. We'll hold more rallies, and as the youths we are going to ensure that ODM clinches power together with Ford Kenya, together with Wiper.
We're celebrating our 10th anniversary and we're doing it through various events, and you've seen various events that we've done in the last couple of weeks, some in Nairobi, some in Mombasa, many more coming up, and we promised at that meeting that we're going to have many others even in counties.
Miahu iyo ningi ni yandikire ruhonge rwa borithi kurumenyithia matanya ma kwambika micemanio ya Jumapili ino yukite.
Tukuma hold responsible kindu giothe kingithuka kana biashara ithuke thiini wa Nairobi ni tukuma hold responsible. Na turenda kwira Joho ambia itherie cia Mombasa atanoka kuruta wira Nairobi.
The front line guthie kuonania na gucera ku na andu aitu na atongoria angi a Jubilee kuonania wira uria turutite.
Gavana wa guku Nairobi Evans Kidero ni ageire kiene mucemanio ucio wa mubunge ucio agiteterithia ati no nginyagia mucemanio ucio wa kiama kia ODM ugathii na mbere. Kidero akauga ati kiharo kiu kiri rungu rwa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi no kiama kia Jubilee ni kinyururitie mung'ethaniro na njira nene.
We want to really synergize the party, be able to share together ideas, get ideas, share, and really strategize about 2017, because we know we're going to take it in 2017 and we're preparing for that. So this is part of the process.
Hindi ya mucemanio wa ica ikuhi mwena wa gicigo-ini gavana Joho ni arire kwihanda nigetha kung'ethania na thirikari ya Jubilee kanyini ka mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga. Kiama kia ODM gititirithitie ati mucemanio wao no kurira ndefe mutongoria wa kio Raila Odinga mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene giukite. Handu-ini hake mubunge Kariuki akauga ati mucemanio wa kio rongoreirie gwakinyaniria mitaratara ya uthii wa na mbere gicigo-ini giake kia ubunge na kurira ndefe kiama kia Jubilee.
Wa kuonania mawira maria turutite ta thirikari ya Jubilee
marauga ni marenda guthii Mathare no cio ni ucogothi tondu ithwe ni turavangite mbere ati ni turathii Mathare na ithwe turathii ku inspect development. Ithwe thirikari ya Jubilee ni kuruta wira o ni guthii kuhura siasa thiini wa Mathare.
Ngucanio ino ya kiuteti gatagati ka Jubilee na kodi iraruta mbica ya mwerekera wa githurano kinene giukite na githurano giki gitigitie thi ya mwaka umwe weta muikia wa kura ni wogatwithania ngucanio ino. Girifotera Inoro TV ritore kono masharia wa Gashuru.